Hi everybody, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you some online hauls, but before I do that, I want to say that I have really been working in my craft room. I shared in a previous video that I am reorganizing my stamps. I will eventually be getting to my standalone dies. Right now I've been working on my stamps and also those that have coordinating dies. So I've purchased stick and storage sheets from the stamp market and I've been working on them. And in the evening, I've been watching Christina Warner's Christmas holiday card series. So she started the series about 14 years ago. So I've just been working my way through them, even the ones that I've seen before. And I shared in a previous video that I shared a Simon Says stamp haul. Some of the items were influenced by her, so that's what's happened here again. And then, let's see, what else? Oh, I ran out of the stick and storage sheets, so I had to place another order, hence the stamp market order. So I started working on this desk, and this desk is where I do my scrapbooking and my planners and things like that. And so I don't do card making over here, but I do my scrapbook layouts. So I have really been organizing that and still watching videos in the evening. And so my room looks like a tornado hit it right now because I'm going through everything. I didn't plan on doing that in the beginning, but I thought I need to get back to putting like things with like things. And so that's what I've been doing. And I will give you guys an update. I do plan on doing a room tour video. I know you guys have heard that before. I never did do it last year. But I'm really glad I didn't because I am changing things up a bit and getting it to be a better work solution for me as far as scrapbooking goes, because I'm into scrapbooking now. I'm still a card maker, but I'm really enjoying scrapbooking. So, all right, so all of that being said, watching Christina Warner, being influenced by her, and she's a good enabler. And so Simon Says Stamp last week, and I think they still might be, I could be wrong, but they've been having some really good sales because it's their birthday. And so I picked up this vintage Christmas station wagon die set. It is so cute. And I think it was Nicole Spohr that shared some cards with this. And really, really cute. And then I picked up the Outline Love and this beautiful Christmas wreath stencil. And then a daisy bouquet stencil. I believe I have another small order from Simon Says Stamp coming, again because of their sale. Okay, and then from Amazon, I purchased some, I think they're called A7 envelopes for your larger cards, because I do make larger cards too. So I got these from Amazon. I cannot remember the price of them, but it was a good deal for 50 envelopes. And they're really good, sturdy quality, so I like that. And then from Spellbinders, I placed this order for some more glimmer foil. I have their glimmer, what do you call it? Hot plate? Whatever, glimmer plate? You know, I have that. So this is called Moon Dust. Beautiful blue. Isn't that color pretty? Look at that. I love that. And then I picked up some of the silver, and it's called Prism. Isn't that neat how the colors of the rainbow come through on that? And then these two gold ones. And I'm thinking it might be gold leaf. It just says GLF. so I'm not sure if it's gold leaf or just what the color is, but it's very pretty. And then from, not Simon Says Stamp, but from PinkFresh Studios, I needed to complete a couple of sets that I had. So I had previously purchased this Known and Loved stamp, and I did pick up the coordinating dies, and see, these are in the new pockets. But I'm not going to go into details about these until I do my video when I've got it all done, and then I'll show you all the details. So I'd previously purchased this stamp set and the coordinating die, and I needed the stencils. I didn't need them because you can watercolor these, you can Copic marker or use your pencils, but I also wanted to be able to put the stencils down and use my inks on them as well. So I will just slip this in this pocket, and there I have the whole set. And then here is another set that I completed. For some reason, I'm not sure why, and I remember doing this, I purchased in this stamp set, this set is called Heartfelt Thanks, so I purchased the Heartfelt Thanks stencils, but I didn't purchase the stamp set. So I purchased the stamp set. I haven't put these in a pocket yet, but I will. But really beautiful stamp set. I love this large floral cluster. So pretty. Okay, real quick from the Stamp Market, and this is their card. So I did go back and buy some more dividers and storage sheets, and you'll see that. But I also picked up some other goodies as well, and they were having their their birthday as well. So I got a freebie, and I received free shipping. Now this is 2 orders. I received free shipping on my first order, but not on my second order. But that's okay. I needed to get those storage pockets and dividers so I can finish organizing. So this was the freebie. It's kind of like eBay. This is the freebie. It's the birthday tag die. So you have the outline die here, and then you have the sentiment, happy birthday. So really cute. So I said outline die, it's the frame. And then I picked up another set of alphas. I picked up some from, I think, MFT and PinkFresh. And because I'm scrapbooking, I want to make sure that I have enough, I want to have a variety of alphas. So these were really good priced. So mini skinny is what they're called. I was turning it over to see if there was a picture. Some companies do that. This is the mini slimline basics. Really pretty scallop frame here. And then you've got a larger frame inside, and then these smaller ones, and these smaller ones have stitching detail on them. I picked up a couple of their labels, sets of their labels, and then this beautiful, the package is like that, but the stencil is like upside down, so I wanted to show you. It's a heart stencil. And then I picked up 3 more packages of the Stick and Store stamp storage. So that includes the sheets, the storage sheets, as well as the pockets are in there too. And then I picked up 2 of the extra large ones for the large stamp sets, like this. And then I picked up 2 more packages of the dividers, so I can put whether I put the company, or like if I want to put, floral, birthday, however I want to label them. So I picked up 2 more of those. And then I purchased this small paper pad. This is going to be great for my coloring station, because a lot of times when I'm coloring, I stamp off. So I have on my desk where I make my cards, I have a real large pad. I think it's from Simon Says Stamp. or maybe it's Stampin' Up. I've had both of them. And so that's what I'm going to be doing with this. It's, you know, for like testing out markers or watercolor or whatever. Probably not watercolor, but markers or colored pencils, seeing the color, and then I'll be able to, you know, go to town coloring. And then I picked up the peony paper, the cardstock, and I have to say it is way brighter in person than I would have thought. It's not like it's bad, it's pretty, but it is like, you know, like, whoa, really bright. I'm more into the softer colors, but that's okay, I'll make it work. So thank you all so much for taking the time to watch. I really appreciate it. We have, believe it or not, I'm gonna sound like another broken record. We have a winter storm coming. We had storms last night, you know, rain, heavy rain. We had a lot of hail going on last night here. And then, unless it was just really heavy rain hitting the window so hard, it sounded like hail, so I assumed it was. And then, so it rained most of last night, and we had a little bit of thunder. I didn't think it was anything, it didn't keep me awake through the night, so I slept good. But we have winter storm coming in sometime late tonight, and it'll snow, and then freezing rain and sleet for the next 2 days. I really hope we don't get much accumulation, but our temperatures were so high Sunday and Monday, and now, so yesterday it was 71 degrees here, and today it's in the 20s. That's our high. Oh my goodness. I mean, that's our temp right now. I think we went up to 32 or something, but oh, brr. And it's going to stay cold for several days. So say it with me, spring, 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 please come. Maybe it'll hear that and it'll arrive sooner than later. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful evening or a wonderful day, whatever time it is in your neck of the woods. Bye.